Middle school students from across Southeast Alabama were on Troy campus last week for the Southeast Alabama Model United Nations Assembly.
This is the Southeast Alabama Model United Nations Assembly, fondly known as SAMUNS. It's a content area project-based writing competition for students in middle school.
Each school group chose a country to represent and wrote a resolution to be presented before the committee. The resolutions were in the form of actual United Nations resolutions.
They know who their allies are. They know issues that are important to those countries, resources that those countries have. Then they're able to vote to see if those resolutions will go into effect.
We have been voting on the other resolutions from the other ones, and we have been deciding which ones were best and listening to the other ones very carefully.
Students started preparing their resolutions back in October and had to turn them in by December. The resolutions were then put into a booklet so other groups could prepare for the assembly.
They start studying about those other resolutions so that while they're here at the General Assembly, they can compete for the awards that are being given.
Awards included Outstanding Native Dress, Outstanding Flag Presentation, and Outstanding Resolution. Dr. Bynum believes MUN is a great way for students to get experience outside of a classroom.
A lot of times our students don't have the opportunity to actually implement what they're learning in the classroom, and this is one of those projects in which they get to do that.
Belle Johnson, Troy, TrojanVision News.